Hi there, today I will talk about the revolutionary ChatGPT technology and how its Visual Studio Code integration works. Go to Extensions and search for ChatGPT in VS Code. Great. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm in Python. Super. We can now create a new file with this code by just clicking on New button above the code block. Now let's ask it to write tests for our code. Let me clear out some extra white spaces now. Amazing! Now that we have all of our conversation in place, let's export all of it to a markdown file for our future reference. Preview your export and just save it as an .md file. The ChatGPT extension is available on Visual Studio Code Marketplace. In just a month, it was downloaded by hundreds of thousands of developers to increase their productivity with overwhelmingly positive ratings. You can visit chatgptai.dev for more details. Don't forget to visit the GitHub community to engage with the others using the extension or report any potential issues you may face. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.